Bagi tujuan keselamatan, anda dihendaki berada di tempat duduk sehingga isyarat pasangkan tali kelira dipadamkan dan pesawat berhenti sepenuhnya. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas. Pastikan semua perangan kemudian anda telah diambil. Anda dibenarkan memasang tali pembimbing selepas tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kelira dipadamkan. Waktu tempatan 1 minit tengah hari dan suhu 32 darjah Celsius. Kapten Kelvin Wong dan anak kapal mengucapkan terima kasih kerana memilih Malaysia Airlines yang merupakan ahli oneworld. Semoga bertemu lagi dalam penerbangan yang akan datang. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Penang International Airport. It is a safety requirement that you remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been to stop. Do be careful whenever you open your head compartment. Kindly ensure you don't leave any of your personal items behind. You may use your mobile phone after the seatbelt sign is switched off. It's 2 minutes slightly after 1 in the afternoon and the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. Captain Kelvin Wong and the rest of the crew would like to thank you for choosing Malaysia Airlines, a member of One World Alliance. We look forward to seeing you again and have a pleasant day.